The 2025 Retro Tricycle Camper van is a rolling piece of nostalgia reimagined for the modern explorer. It's a bold blend of vintage charm and next-gen electric efficiency. Exactly what you'd want if you're into compact freedom with a splash of character. At first glance, it pulls you in with its pastel tones, bubble windows, and steel-trimmed body that echoes the camper vibes of the 1960s. But then you notice the futuristic LED lights, the clean solar panel integration, and the intelligent design lines that tell you, this isn't your grandpa's trike. It's a new-age micro RV for people who want to stand out while moving smarter. Built on a sturdy three-wheeled electric chassis, this camper balances stability with maneuverability. It's perfect for weaving through narrow alleys or setting up camp in tiny off-grid corners. Powered by a silent electric motor, you get a real-world range of up to 210 kilometers on a full charge, making it ideal for weekend getaways or everyday escapes from the city. One of the most impressive aspects is the space utilization. Step inside and you're greeted with a warm wooden finish, retro upholstery, and a surprising amount of function for such a small footprint. There's a collapsible sleeping area, fold-out desk, compact storage shelves, and even a mini induction cooking surface powered directly by the onboard battery and solar panel. Interior lighting uses soft ambient LEDs, giving it a cozy, warm glow at night. The bubble windows not only look unique, but fill the cabin with natural light, making it feel far more open than its size suggests. Every inch is crafted with purpose, and you can tell the designers aim to blend emotional appeal with technical smarts. The digital control system lets you monitor battery levels, manage lighting, fan speeds, and even solar input, all from your smartphone. It's like having a smart home in a nostalgic shell, rolling quietly on three wheels. Performance-wise, it's gentle but confident. It won't win any races, topping out at around 60 km/h, but it glides smoothly with instant torque, perfect for relaxed cruises, scenic detours, or simply enjoying the journey without a noisy engine. And here's where it really shines. The price. Starting at $12,950, the 2025 Retro Tricycle Camper van offers a budget-friendly ticket into electric van life with character. It's not just a camper, it's a lifestyle. A retro ride for modern dreamers who want to travel light, turn heads, and make memories wherever they go. If you're ready to mix timeless design with tomorrow's tech, this retro camper is calling your name. Subscribe for more exciting electric camper reviews, and stay plugged in to the most creative mobility ideas of the future.